Hey there, welcome back. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: the effect of constantly keeping your laptop plugged in and charging. Have you ever wondered if it's good or bad for your laptop's battery? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll delve into the details and uncover the truth. But before get into the video, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the effects, let's quickly understand how laptop batteries work. Most laptops nowadays use lithium-ion batteries, which are known for their high energy density and longevity. These batteries are designed to be charged and discharged, allowing us to use our laptops on the go without constantly relying on a power source. When you plug in your laptop and charge it, the power flows from the charger to the battery, replenishing its energy. Meanwhile, when you're using your laptop, it draws power from the battery to keep it running. This back and forth between charging and discharging is how laptop batteries operate. Now, let's address the big question: what happens if you always keep your laptop plugged in and charging? Well, the truth is, it depends on several factors. Firstly, let's talk about heat. When a laptop is charging, it tends to generate more heat. Over time, excessive heat can degrade the battery's overall capacity, shortening its lifespan. So, if you're constantly charging your laptop and it becomes noticeably warm, it's a good idea to unplug it once in a while and let it cool down. Secondly, the charging circuitry of laptops is generally designed to prevent overcharging. Once the battery reaches its maximum charge, the circuitry diverts the power directly to the laptop, bypassing the battery. This mechanism helps protect the battery from overcharging, which could lead to damage or reduced capacity. However, it's worth noting that keeping the battery at 100% charge for extended periods can also have a negative impact. Lithium-ion batteries prefer to be kept in a partially charged state. So, if you always leave your laptop plugged in and fully charged, it may gradually affect the overall battery health. So, what can you do to maintain your laptop battery's health if you tend to keep it plugged in most of the time? Here are a few tips. 1. Unplug and discharge. Once in a while, unplug your laptop and allow it to discharge partially before plugging it back in. This helps the battery go through regular charge cycles, promoting better longevity. 2. Avoid extreme temperatures. Try to keep your laptop in a cool and well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Extreme temperatures can accelerate battery degradation. 3. Battery saver mode. Most laptops come with a battery saver mode that optimizes power consumption. Enable this feature when your laptop is plugged in to reduce unnecessary charging and discharging cycles. 4. Partial charge cycles. If you're using your laptop near a power source, you can maintain the battery at a lower charge level, such as 40 to 80%. This range is considered ideal for long-term battery health. Remember, though, these tips are general guidelines, and it's always a good idea to check your laptop manufacturer's recommendations for specific battery care instructions. And there you have it, folks. Now you know the effect of keeping your laptop always plugged in and charging. While it's generally fine to keep your laptop plugged in, it's essential to be mindful of certain factors, such as heat and battery charge levels, to maintain optimal battery health. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. As always, feel free to share your thoughts and any other questions you might have in the comments section below. Until next time, take care. Thanks for watching.